Hi, my name is Geraldine, a pharmacist, a skincare enthusiast, as well as the founder of NIHONSKIN. And today, we will be talking about cleansers. Cleansing is the mother of all skincare. It's the first and most important step that you need to do when doing your skincare routine. But there are two types of people when it comes to cleaning your face. The first type are the type who wash their face with a cleanser. And the second type is those who wash with a bar soap and water. Do you know the difference between a bar soap and cleanser for cleansing your face? If you are using a body soap to cleanse your face, you might be in trouble. Why? Because body soaps usually contains harsher cleansers, harsher detergent to ensure that your body is gotten rid of dirt and oil. But of course, if you're using a cleansing bar soap for your face, then it might be okay. If you're using a facial cleanser, it's okay because cleansers are usually made for mild cleansing and is usually hydrating to the skin. So either look for a face bar soap or a facial cleanser specifically for your face because they are meant to have a pH closer to your face skin. So why is it so important for you to cleanse your skin on a daily basis? Daily facial cleansers ensures that you remove any traces of dirt, oil, pollution, or even any forms of bacteria that's accumulating on your skin. Not to mention also the dead skin cells that you tend to accumulate over the days while your skin is reproducing and regenerating. If your skin is not cleansed properly on a daily basis, this is where dirt and pollution will then accumulate on your skin. You do not want this to happen because this will cause breakouts, premature aging, or can even cause either excessive drying or excessive oily skin to happen. As cleansing is the most important step of a basic skincare routine, we really receive countless requests requesting for us to develop a facial cleanser that can be used for all our NIHON lovers out there. And this was where we developed two different sizes of the soothing facial cleanser, which is then suitable to be used either with all the NIHON products or to be used with other skincare brands as well. So when you cleanse your skin, you give your skin enough breathing space, ensuring that it's no longer clogged up by dirt and pollution, allowing your next skincare step, ingredients, to penetrate deeply into your skin without any disturbance. Cleansing your skin regularly will really help to give your skin the space to be able to breathe and also to increase the effectiveness of the other skincare products that you will be using. So what is the key benefits of the NIHON Soothing Facial Cleanser? Well, of course, it helps to clean off impurities and also any excess dirt or pollution from your skin. It provides a gentle and deep cleansing for your skin and leaves your skin feeling fresh after you wash your face. The NIHON Soothing Facial Cleanser is also well known to fight off bad bacteria as well as reducing inflammation on the skin. And just as the name suggests, it really helps to soothe and hydrate your skin as well. As you can see, the Soothing Facial Cleanser is infused with both green tea extract as well as tea tree oil. The tea tree oil is also very well known to be very soothing for the skin, whether it's to soothe irritation, itch, and even had been found to be even soothing for eczema skin. For those of you who have acne-prone skin who are looking for a gentle cleanser to help reduce acne, you can definitely use the NIHON Soothing Facial Cleanser. A good point to note is that the NIHON Facial Cleanser does not use foaming agents within the product, which can cause dryness to the skin. Instead, it actually uses a foaming pump, which actually causes the foaming and frothing of the cleanser due to the mechanism of the bottle itself. With that, it really helps to reduce the dryness that can be caused by a foaming cleanser. Not only that, the NIHON Soothing Facial Cleanser contains also aloe vera gel extract as well as sodium hyaluronic, which really helps in hydrating the skin, soothing the skin, and really suitable for people whether or not they are having dry skin. Who is suitable for the NIHON Soothing Facial Cleanser? If you have normal skin, oily skin or oily combination skin, or even acne-prone skin, you can use the NIHON Soothing Facial Cleanser with no qualms at all. For those of you who have dry skin, dry combination skin, sensitive skin, or even those who have sensitivities towards tea tree extract, then please do try off with the travel size soothing facial cleanser to check if your skin is suitable to use the NIHON Soothing Facial Cleanser or not. What's the texture of the NIHON Soothing Facial Cleanser? Well, what I really like about it is because of the foaming pump, everything that comes out seems to be as soft as snow. What I really like about the NIHON Soothing Facial Cleanser is that it's really lightweight and has a foamy texture. And most importantly, it really leaves a very minty feeling after you have cleansed your face. For those of you who have a long day at work or long day at school, or if you want a nice buzz in the morning, this is definitely your go-to cleanser. Just a tip for our Muslim friends out there. When you need to do your prayers on a daily basis, I would always recommend to bring along the Soothing Facial Cleanser so that you can cleanse your skin cleanly before performing your prayers. Then after that, you can then apply your moisturizer and sunblock as necessary. If you like this video, click like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Comment down below to let us know what your favorite cleanser is.